After several attempts to remove the glue from her hair, most of which were very, very painful, Tessica Brown, aka the Gorilla Glue Girl, has finally at least managed to remove the ponytail from her head. Hello boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are very much welcome. Please do join the family, subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any video from me. If this is your first time hearing the story of the Gorilla Glue Girl, well, this is a story about Tessica Brown, who came online asking for help on how she can remove glue from her hair. Tessica Brown ran out of her normal got-to-be hairspray and she ended up using Gorilla Glue so she can lay down her hair into a ponytail. Many people came through for her by suggesting a lot of ways in which she can remove her hair. Even dermatologists came through. Some even suggested that she use acetone to remove the glue from her hair, which I think that was the most painful thing she was doing because apparently it was irritating her scalp. According to the latest updates, Tessica has only managed to remove the ponytail part of her hair using this Goof-Off super glue remover. And at the moment it is said that she's currently at LA where she's meeting a plastic surgeon that is going to help her remove the rest of the glue from her hair, and that is for free. I think that's very generous of the doctor. So yeah, you guys, that's all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any video from me. Bye.